Hi, today we've got an exciting new opportunity for the community. We're also going to check in on those microgreens that we started last Monday and just generally talk about some of the stuff that's going on. Before we hop to the microgreens, I wanted to check in a little bit on our seed giveaway. Now, this is a great opportunity for all of us to be growing the same thing together. In fact, I think this will be an experiment where people all over the country are growing the same 4 crops with the seeds that I've given out. So if you have not yet requested those seeds, please send your self-addressed stamped envelope to P.O. Box 23442, Overland Park, Kansas 66283, and we'll get those right out to you. Again, the postmark date by which this all ends is March 17th, so get that in right away so that you're able to join us. And we've got the Great Big Gardening Group on Facebook. It is a community that has around 40,000 members, and our goal is to have the grow outs there for posting pictures, talking about what we're growing. You can update with things real time that you are seeing. And as we grow out through the season, if you have any issues, we can work together as a community to help support that. So if you aren't a member of the Great Big Garden Group, go there. We have some questions to start off, including your email address. They'll sign you up for our newsletter, which is a great update with tricks and tools and wonderful things that we're doing here in the garden. So do that. Join the Great Big Garden Group and you'll be able to post. But first, get those free seeds. So send us the self-addressed stamped envelope. Now, to check in on those microgreens. Brought them out here because it's a nice day, so let's shoot the video outside. But as you can see, we've done a lot better with the lettuce seeds. Since we're growing just on these cloth, you can choose if you want to cut them, like you would if you're on soil, you probably would want to cut them. But here, you could just pull them right out if you want to. And you have nice microgreens that are really ready to eat. You may want to wash them first. I'm going to just try them here. It's pretty good flavor. It's strong enough that you feel like you're eating something, but obviously it's still pretty light. Good way to get some greens pretty early. And you just pull it a week later. And you can put these on another salad. So remember that you are going to be requesting seeds. We're going to be growing together. We're going to do it over on the Great Big Garden Group on Facebook. So anyone that's not signed up for our emails, please do so. There's a lot of great opportunities, and we're going to do giveaways and things there as well. So please join us there, and I look forward to growing with you.